I picked up this wind chime and got great sound, works good, but there's one of the pipes are missing and it goes right there. I'm gonna have to drill a new hole, maybe in further or next to it. But what I'm gonna do is, the longest pipe is this one right here, and it's on the opposite side of the missing one. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of electrical conduit. I'm going to cut it the same length as the longest one. Put a mark there. Put that in the vise. Found my goggles, put those on, and take a hacksaw, which is a saw and blade that is designed for cutting metal. Line her up on a mark, pencil mark. It's got a nasty burr on it. Shake the shavings out into the garbage. I'm just going to take a pretty fine file and go around, cut. Not the straightest cut in the world, but I take a round file, go inside and remove those burrs. There we go. I'm back. I'm going to actually use a pipe cutter. Should have used this in the first place, but if you don't have one, hacksaw does work, but they are hard to cut straight. So just adjusting that out enough to get it on there. And you don't want to go really tight starting out. You just want to snug it up. And with each turn, as the blade cuts into the steel, you just turn it just a little bit. You can see I'm just a like 1/8 of an inch. Each turn, I'm turning this knob just a little bit more. Put pressure on that blade. But the nice thing about this pipe cutter is it cuts it pretty much perfectly straight. And it just makes your work look better. Things are crooked, things look sloppy, so this cuts a much smoother edge too. Oh, it's almost through. There we go. Really, really nice edge. A little bit sharp there. Take the file. Let's go over that. Yeah, that's great. Much better. So now I need to drill a hole in that pipe through, and I need to drill a hole in that top piece. Got the drill press set up, and you could use a hand drill too for this. Drill press just drills a perfectly, well, pretty much perfectly could be perpendicular hole through the pipe, what you want. Gonna put on the goggles. Got the drill press set up, and you could use a hand drill too for this. Drill press just drills a perfectly, well, pretty much perfectly could be perpendicular hole through the pipe, what you want. Gonna put on the goggles. sides on, there's a little bit of a burr, mainly on the bottom side. I'm going to do both sides. Just make sure there's nothing sharp there. I want to also take the round file, clean up the inside of those drill holes. There we go. I drilled a hole through here. I'm going to use a piece of copper wire. This is, I'm not sure the gauge. It had insulation on it, peeled it off quite a while ago, and it's actually oxidized, but it's kind of a rustic looking chime anyway, so I'm going to run that copper through the hole. And let's see, these other hangers, these are actually like monofilament line, but I don't have any that is that large, so I think this copper will work. Let's see, I can go actually, well, time I twist that, that's about the same as the other one, so I'll go with that. I'll run it through the piece of conduit pipe, one hole, there we go, 2 holes, bend that up. Well, let's see how to twist this. I think squish this together a little bit more at the top. Take a pliers, I'm going to bend this 90 degree there. There. Shoot. So I'm going through the hole first, but this will work. Whoops. Let's see. There we go. I want to have this on the inside so it's not quite so visible now. Take the pliers. Oh, there's 2 wires right between it. And I'm going to twist it. There we go. Now I'm going to bend this down so that the twisted part is pretty much parallel with the wire. Straighten that out. Put things together. Sounds like church bells. Amazing. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.